They did a study. They found they found professors of cardiology, and they gave them problems, and they thought aloud as they solved them. And then they had students, medical students, also in cardiology or in the cardiology class. They gave them problems and had them talk about it. Clearly, the cardiology problems saw chunks. Their thought processes were better. They worked forward instead of backward and solved it in less time. And they did the same thing with endocrinology. The endocrinology professors had more chunks, more background knowledge, solved it better and quicker than the endocrinology interns. Okay. Did the cardiologists, did the endocrinologists have better, higher level thinking? Certainly in those areas they did. Now, what they did is they took the cardiology problems and gave them to the endocrinologists. And they gave the endocrinology problems to the cardiologists. Now what happened? They acted like novices. You know, they were no better than, actually they were a little worse than novices. Because they took analogies from their field. So the cardiologists took cardiology analogies, applied it to endocrinology, and they were wrong. The point, I think, is the importance of background knowledge and the idea that you can't override background knowledge or get around background knowledge by saying we're teaching higher order thinking skills. They don't exist out of, even if they do, they can't, no matter how brilliant someone is at analogies, and logic problems and all that, it doesn't help if you don't have the background knowledge.